Happy Monday, SDPC. It is Joy Ellison back with you again for another Monday Minute. In the School District of Pickens County, preparing students for life after high school is one of our top priorities. That's why SDPC is committed to ensuring that each graduate is college and career ready. Through work-based learning, students have the opportunity to explore career interests and gain first-hand, hands-on experience with industries that align with their career goals. Find out more on this week's Monday Minute. Work-based learning connects students with meaningful experiences such as internships, apprenticeships, job shadowing, and cooperative education. In partnership with local businesses and community organizations, SDPC is helping students build confidence, professional networks, and relevant skills that prepare them for a successful transition into the workforce or post-secondary education. These opportunities are designed to be more than exposure. They offer practical engagement in real-world environments with support from both educators and industry mentors. By participating in work-based learning, students not only earn credit towards graduation, but they also fulfill one of the key criteria to be recognized as career-ready in the state of South Carolina. Let's find out more about work-based learning opportunities in SDPC.
Nothing teaches you better than experience. My name is Jeremy Arnett, and I'm the existing industry and workforce development manager for Alliance Pickens, the economic development office for Pickens County. I have an office down here at the Career Center, and I help place students into work-based learning opportunities.
Not only do we want our students to graduate from the school district with a high school diploma, but we also want them to be college and or career ready. And so part of my job is to make sure that students are career ready. It's one of the 4 qualifications that a student can achieve, and work-based learning is one of those. We have construction students who are participating in internships at Habitat for Humanity and at the Dream Center. It's an awesome way for them to really develop their construction skills.
It's one thing to teach construction in a lab, but you're limited. So out here, you're getting to teach them real world stuff on how to actually frame walls, how to frame a floor, how to lay your own foundation out. We've had students out here on the excavator digging their own footings. I mean, that's real world experience right there.
We have a health science class, and part of their end of the course criteria is to go to clinicals. And so they are able to go to Clemson Downs and hone in on those health science skills that they've learned in the classroom, and they get to actually apply those skills in real life.
We have hands-on experience with the residents, getting to know them, taking care of them, and experiencing what real life situations are like.
It's really all been amazing, but just getting to know the residents on a really personal level has been probably the best part.
Is that you? Right there? Yes,
Not only do we serve students here at the Pickens County Career and Technology Center, but we serve all students across all of the school district. In our 4 high schools, we concentrate on those seniors. We try to help them find an internship or a work-based learning experience that aligns with their career cluster so that they will graduate from high school with some sort of experience in their career cluster before they graduate.
At the core for economic development is ensuring that we have a viable workforce, not just now, but in the future, for not just our Pickens County companies that are born and bred here now, but also for those we're looking to recruit to bring in the future. Businesses have an opportunity to hire these students, bring them in, work them at least 40 hours, and so they get a test drive as to the work ethic, the skill level, the soft skills, or what I like to call workforce employability skills of students. And then the students get to see, is this really something that I want to do for a career?
If that work-based learning experience works out for both parties, we can have that student step right into a full-time position right after graduating from high school, which is a huge success for our kids.
I'm going to talk to the businesses right now. Come down, find out what's going on here. Because I promise you, if you do, you will be impressed and you will want to come and see what kind of students you can pull out to help push your company the next 15 and 20 years.
Work-based learning empowers students to take ownership of their future and ensures that when they graduate, whether they go into a career or to college or into the military or whatever path they choose, they are prepared to thrive. Thanks so much for tuning into this week's Monday Minute. As we wrap up the school year, we look forward to celebrating our graduating seniors, the class of 2025, in next week's final Monday Minute. Be sure to tune in to find out where we are, who we're talking to, and the great things that are happening in the school district of Pickens County.